pinapanalangin natin ang isa't isa as duo, di ba, sa atin. One of the greatest things that we can do for each other is pray. Bakit napakahalaga na tayong nananalangin at nagpapanalangin? Makapagbukas kayo sa akin sa Exodus chapter 17, verses 8 to 16. Dito, makikita natin, at ito'y maging aral sa atin, paano ba natin dapat harapin ang mga labanan na ating nararanasan araw-araw upang tayo ay magtagumpay. That's what we are going to talk about today, winning battles through prayers. Sinabi dito na kapag ang kamay ni Moses ay nakataas, sina Joshua ay nagtatagumpay. Kapag ang kamay ni Moses ay nakababa, sina Joshua ay nalalamangan. So dito makikita natin, tandaan natin, number 1, prayer is essential in winning our battle. In this case, their battle depends on their prayer. Their winning, their triumph, their victory depends on Moses, Aaron's, and Hur's prayer. And same with our life. Marami tayong labanan na ating kinakaharap. Lagi natin tandaan na ating katagumpayan ay nakadepende sa kung paano tayo nagtitiwala sa Panginoon, at ang ating pagtitiwala sa Panginoon ay expressed sa kung paano tayo nangahawak sa Kanya sa pamagitan ng ating pananalangin. Dinidiktaran ni Moses na ang kanilang katagumpayan ay ang Diyos. Ibig sabihin, ang katagumpayan nila ay nagmumula sa Panginoon. Paano pinakita nila yung pagtitiwala sa pamagitan ng panalangin habang nakikipaglaban? Makikita natin na tayo nagtitiwala sa Panginoon kapag ang tinitingnan natin ay ang lakas ng Diyos. Ang tagumpay natin ay sa Lord. We will always remind ourselves that the battle is His, it's not ours. We fight our battle with Him. We will not be discouraged. Kasi bakit alam natin na tayo nakikipaglaban kasama ang Panginoon? Lagi natin tandaan na ang panalangin ay kailangan natin sa ating pagpatagumpay. Don't think that you will become victorious only because you prepare. No matter how much you prepare, if you don't pray, there's no assurance that you will become victorious. Si Lord yung magpupuno ng ating kakulangan. Do your part and allow God to do His. Lord, ito yung aking na-prepare. Alam ko hindi ito sapat, pero ikaw ay may magagawa. Kasi no matter how much you prepare, without God, you will not win. You will not be victorious. When you pray, makasigurado kayo that whatever the result is or will be, it's victory. Maybe in different form. Pero alam natin na kayo yung pinagtulutan ng Panginoon, yun ay makakabuti at maganda para sa iyo. And second, we win because there are also people praying for us. Sa totoo lang, there are times na tayo nagtatagumpay hindi dahil sa iyong panalangin. There are times na tayo nagtagumpay dahil may ibang nanalangin para sa iyo. Si Joshua, ba't siya nagtagumpay? Kasi meron siyang Moses at Aaron and Hur na sa kanya ay nanalangin. Huwag tayong mahiya na laging humingi ng panalangin. It is not a spiritual weakness to ask for someone else's prayer. Pray for one another. Kaya kapag tayo may mga labanan na ating inaharap, solicit prayers. Ask other people to pray for you. And thank the people who are praying for you. Kasi bakit tayo nagtagumpay dahil tayo ay kanilang ikinanalangin. Third and last, we can help other people winning their battle through praying for them. Marami tayong pagtatagumpay dahil may ibang tao na nalangin para sa atin. And ganun din sa atin. One of the best way to help other people win their battle is through praying for them. Your prayer can be one reason for other people to continue. And that's love. That's being concerned. We cannot consistently pray for someone without love for them. Prayer is a battle itself. Hindi ka magtataka, nung habang ka nagse-cellphone, gising na gising ka, pero nung ikaw ay magpe-pray, nasa kakainaan to. It is a battle. It's spiritual battle. It's spiritual warfare. Kung sa totoo lang, isipin natin ang dali-dali manalangin. It is real effort to pray. It is a real work. That's why we need other people who will help us pray for other people. Sigurado yung ating pagtatagumpay dahil inilaban tayo ng Panginoong Jesus hanggang dulo. Sinabi niya, it is finished. So don't be afraid to fight your battle because you are not fighting alone. Let's fight together with God.